Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time I have a few items here. And these are sort of bag organizers. I have these two, which are a little smaller and they come in two sizes. And I have this one, which you guys can see. And yeah, stay tuned to see what bags I use these for and my initial impressions. Alright, so I love me a bag organizer. This is what I have been using in some of my bags. I have this size. Now this was like an as seen on TV product back in the day. Okay, so here we go. This comes in this cream colored version, and there is a black colored version. I have been using the longer one of this style for a while in most of my Chanel jumbos, my vintage jumbos, and it works very nicely. The only problem with this is that it is very, I hate to say it, I mean it works, but it is very cheaply made, and it is made out of, you know, very cheap material. I'm not really sure what this material is. Here is the tag. It is basically 100% polyester. But yeah, it does not really hold up very well, and so I thought to look out there for, you know, other organizers that I could possibly use for my bags. And so I found these two, and they are sold separately now. These are, I found on Amazon, and I think the brand is, I have the packaging right here. They're from Vercord. I'm not really sure how you pronounce that, but it is spelled V-E-R-C-O-R-D. And they range in size, as you guys can see, and in price. So this one, this is the smaller version of it. And they also come in different colors also, but I decided to go with the cream colored one just because I don't want any kind of color transfer in any of my bags. And so this one, let's see, so this is the smaller one. This is $15. Well, on the website, or on Amazon, it's $14.99. And this is 3.2 inches across, 9.1 inches wide, and 6.3 inches high. I originally thought I could use this for my, you know, my like little pouches, my toiletry pouch 26, or the monogram split pochette Voyage in the Louis Vuitton line, but it's too big. And so what I have, and I thought I would use this one for my my Chanel jumbos, but as you'll see, it's a little bit too big there too. So here is this bag, and I wanted to bring out this bag. I still have it. I have not had the heart to say goodbye to it yet, so I still do have it. But yeah, so this is a Chanel jumbo double flap, and I just wanted to show you that this fits pretty nicely inside. You guys can see, and there is still room on on the inside if you wanted to put some stuff on the sides here or in the back. But otherwise it fits very nicely, and so I would recommend it for this bag. But let me take it back out and let me show you what types of pockets, because I love me my pockets. So on the outside there is one pocket right here. On the back there are two pockets, and then on the inside it is lined with pockets upon pockets. I don't know if you guys can see, but there are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pockets on one side, and these are sort of they protrude a little bit, and on the other side there are 2 flat pockets, and then on either side, on this side and on this side, there is sort of like a bungee elastic material to be able to hold, I don't know what you can hold there because it's too small for a bottle of water, maybe you know, sunglass case or something. But yeah, so there, that is this one. And then I wanted to show you guys this one here. As far as the layout, it is basically the same thing with the pocket designs. Oh, and there is also a bungee cord here with a stopper to, I'm not sure what you'd be able to use that for because it does not really cinch up very much. But what I am planning to use this one for is this baby right here, which is the Chanel Jumbo XL. This is the vintage Jumbo XL with the large CCs, as you guys can see. And let me just put this in here so you guys can see what it looks like. Alright. So this actually fits almost perfectly, if you guys can see in there. And so this is a really nice fit for this bag. I'll take it back out again because I'm not currently using this bag. But another pro for these two compared to this one here is that the material is made out of I don't know what exactly this is. It's sort of like a burlap, or let me see if I could find the tag. I can't find it, but it is in a very it might also be like a sturdy canvas. But yeah, so that is these two here that I wanted to show you guys. And I am not sponsored. I am just showing you guys something, or a few things that I have found that you know, suits my needs, and I wanted to share this information along with you guys. So here is this one, and this is also made from this brand, Vercord, and this is for a tote. You guys can see there are multiple pockets here. There are 2 up here, 2 flat ones. This one is a little bit thicker, you guys can see. On this side it is the same thing. And on the inside it is also organized with multi-levels. And that's why I wanted this one, is because there are multi-levels, 1, 2, of pockets. But unfortunately it does not fit in the bags that I had originally wanted to use it for. But I do have this bag here, which is my Runaway Burberry tote, and let me show you guys how it looks in here before I go into the measurements. Actually, let me do the measurements first. So I wrote it here. So this is made out of a very sturdy felt material. It's very nice quality, I could feel it, and it comes in a lot of different colors as well, but I did go with the light gray just because, again, I did not want any color transfer to, you know, occur. There's a really nice cobalt blue that I wanted to get, but I decided to go with this one just to, you know, in case there is color transfer. And there are these 2 handles here that you could basically, you know, help you lift it out and put it into another bag if you wanted to. There's also these buttons that you can use, which I don't know why you would need those to use, but they are there. But the measurement is, so, and this is from the base now, because this is going to be how it is when it is fully fully extended. And so it is, I believe it is 13 up and down, 12.6 inches across, and then 2.8 inches in width. So let me put this now into my bag and I'll show you what it looks like in there. So I don't know if this will fit nicely in a Neverfull. That's the first thing that came to mind when I was looking at this bag, but let me show you. Oh, and actually, let me show you this after the tag, after I'm going to show you guys what this looks like inside my bag. So you guys can see it fits very nicely, and the width of this bag is, you know, the exact width of the organizer. So it also helps with creating some sturdiness of this bag, which is really nice to have. And yeah, it fits in there very nicely. And let me take this back out because I wanted to show you the tag a little bit more. Because, where'd the tag go? Okay, so on the back of the tag, I just saw this. It looks like this maybe, I don't know if this is the picture that they have in all of these tags, but that is a picture of a, what I presume to be a Louis Vuitton Neverfull. So I would think that this works in a Neverfull just nicely as well. So yeah, I just wanted to share these items with you guys. I mean, these were not very expensive. I know there are other brands on the market that are very popular, like Samorga, and a lot of people have those, and those are a bit more pricey, probably in like the $40–50 range. And yeah, I just wanted to try this one out because it was also on Amazon Prime, and I get so impatient with my packages, so yeah, I received this in a couple days or so. But yeah, so that's all I really wanted to share with you guys with this video. And let me just show you guys these again, just so you guys can... Alright, there you go. So if you have any comments, questions, anything like that, please leave them down below. And yeah, just remember, until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.